Hi everyone! A pleasant day. This video is about two 3-way switches and one 4-way switch. Specifically, one lamp controlled in 3 locations by two 3-way switches and one 4-way switch. Controlling a single lamp from 3 locations using two 3-way switches and one 4-way switch is a more advanced but very practical setup. It allows you to operate the lamp from multiple points such as at each end of a hallway and in the middle. The two 3-way switches are used to control the lamp from 2 of the locations. Each 3-way switch has one common terminal and 2 traveler terminals. They allow control of the lamp from 2 different locations, where the position of each switch determines the light's state, on or off. The one 4-way switch is used to control the lamp from the 3rd location. It's placed between the 2 3-way switches in the circuit. This switch has 2 pairs of traveler terminals and no common terminal. It is used to change the path of the current between the 2 traveler wires coming from the 3-way switches. It essentially toggles the state of the circuit as you move between the 2 3-way switches. The live wire from the power source is connected to the common terminal of the first 3-way switch. 2 traveler wires run from the traveler terminals of the first 3-way switch to the traveler terminals of the 4-way switch. 2 traveler wires run from the traveler terminals of the 4-way switch to the traveler terminals of the second 3-way switch. The common terminal of the second 3-way switch is connected to one terminal of the lamp. The neutral wire from the power source is connected directly to the other terminal of the lamp. The combination of the 3-way switches and the 4-way switch determines whether the lamp is on or off. The lamp can be controlled from any of the 3 locations, and its state will change depending on the positions of all 3 switches. For example, if both 3-way switches are in the same position, both up or both down, and the 4-way switch is toggled, it will change the state of the lamp. The combination of 2 3-way switches and one 4-way switch provides a versatile solution for controlling a lamp from 3 locations. This setup is ideal for situations where you need multiple points of control, such as in long hallways or large rooms. That is all for now. Thank you for watching. God bless and subscribe.